Okay, you had a great time, but you just didn't get enough attention.
No, I had a great time. But when it came to Dede, Ifuchukude, I just needed a little bit more. That's all. Like it's not like it's anything more than that.
Why?
It's not
We just
anything.
started talking again 2 days ago.
I know.
Why you move? I feel like you're moving so fast.
I know you're fast.
I feel like your pace is too fast.
Okay, fine, my opinion.
Yeah.
I know how you are. I know how you. That's why I'm not like it anyway. It's just that I'm here. I'm okay.
You're human is an excuse for people to just do things that are mostly uncomfortable. We're all humans at the end of the day. Just like you're human, I'm human as well. But being human just doesn't stop us from, being better humans. What do you say?
We just started talking 2 days ago.
Yeah, okay, and then it's like, for the first time we're going to the club, and you're telling me, you didn't get attention from me.
No, it's not in that way.
We just went to the club for the first time.
I know how you are.
And why should I have given you attention? Like, why? Fun and just be cool and stuff like that.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah. So yeah, that's what the thing is for. It's okay. I just support you. Kai, I'm so tipsy. Jesus. I just support everyone to understand and just get it. And most times,
I don't want you to act when you're ready with me, though.
Oh no, it's fine. I just like clarity. Like I've always had this clarity from the start.
Yes,
so,
yeah. That I have to give it to you.
Yeah. I've always
so
been
that's why I'm not
I don't,
like I said, it's dating.